For those of you who don't know, DraftKings and Skills, Harry Sloan has a new unit available, the Soaring Eagle. The unit is almost at NAV. Holy crap. It's over $1 billion. If you don't know where to go, you have some money you need to tuck away, I'm not telling you what to buy or sell. My largest position right now in the trading account is Soaring Eagle. So I'm going to start with my dark horse. My dark horse that nobody ever talks about is Bullhorn, BHSE. The reason that I like Bullhorn is, first of all, Rob Stryer is a stud. Had a little bit of a go as a professional hockey player, so therefore you know he's tough. He's been involved with strategic planning for companies like Disney and multiple professional sports companies. He's one of the few people that I've ever seen downsize his SPAC. So I said, listen, all these SPACs are getting bigger and bigger. Why did you have the money and decline and go smaller? And his response was incredibly interesting to me. He said, it's a competitive advantage. A lot of these targets are coming in and they see how much the sponsor is getting. You know, you're getting 20% of like a Michael Klein Churchill deal. You know, 20% of $2 billion is a significant holding. Now, granted, after the merger happens and the company comes in and the pipe is done, that gets significantly diluted to a much smaller percentage, but we're starting pretty high. Rob's statement was, hey, you know, with our small SPAC, our sponsor shares is very low. And being a lot of these targets now are negotiating for better deals and better terms from these sponsors because so many different SPACs are chasing them, this actually gives them a chance to say, hey, I don't need as much money now. And I would like to see more of these companies do like some of these secondaries. I'd rather see a company de-SPAC without a pipe on a deal that's a good deal, have stock appreciation like we've seen with Skills or MP or what have you, and then do a secondary at a much higher price. It's less dilutive to the company. It's less dilutive to you and I, the SPAC or de-SPAC shareholder, for them to raise money at a much better valuation. So, you know, with those being said, I own a little bit of the Bullhorn. It's a curiosity to me. So that's one of them. Another one that I really don't understand is OCA. You can go buy OCA right now and have no downside. There are units, there are warrants, and anybody who does not know who Gary Vaynerchuk is, I know Gary V for 20 years. He started Wine Library. He has Vayner Media. The guy is a stud. He grinds. He's actually exhausting to be around. The guy is 100% always on, and he will die before he quits. So here you have a chance. Go look it up. Don't listen to me. Go look up OCA. Go find the link. Go see the team. Look who they put together, and then go look at the price and say, I can own this cheaper than the funds. I have no downside. I have upside, and I've got some studs. So I like to bet the jockey, not the horse. It's why I told you that I like Soaring Eagle. It's why I told you I'm in OCA. And I'm betting on Rob Stryer on some Bullhorn. So
if anything, I can mention one that and then you can tell me what you think.
Go.
I heard you mention it earlier. Everyone knows I like this one. SPNV, Supernova. Offer pad. What's up with that?
Well, the Supernova, and I don't know how many of you guys follow Spencer, but he's a cool guy. Spencer Raskoff. He'll comment on our SPAC conversations. The guy started Zillow. He's a stud. Love it. But I don't know if that one's off the radar. I was buying more Proterra today, and I was buying more Arrival. What company is cooler than Arrival? Their stuff is the best. It's awesome. They have a product. Who are they selling to? UPS, the British Post Office. This isn't 2026 revenue. This is a product. And another one I was buying today is Proterra. They make EV buses. I don't post them all, but every day I get news alerts. Harvard, Stanford, Duke, all these universities are replacing their existing internal combustion buses with Proterra.
Yep.
And with the current administration, they're very much interested in EV, green, net carbon neutral. Proterra, it got its ass kicked this morning. So if you nibble, and don't go YOLO FOMO or I'm going to yell at you, buy these things small. As they come down, nibble a little more. When you buy things that go up too fast, sell them. Sell some of them. Sell all of them. You usually get a chance to buy them back. As my market maker buddy tells me, they always come home. Don't hold bags. If you say you hold bags, good. You deserve those bags. If you have a little bag, you can add a little more to it, and you'll get an average cost somewhere. So please, everybody, be safe. It's your money. Nobody gives a shit about your money more than you. Do yourself a favor. Buy slow, sell, trim whenever you can.